Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. But wait, Miss Muffet turned back, she gave a quick smack and said, "Why, you're not so scary." The spider looked shy and said, "Oh, don't cry, I just wanted to be merry." They sat down together, chatted about the weather. The sun was shining bright. The spider did wiggle, Miss Muffet did giggle, and they laughed till it was night. Out came a cricket who played a fun ticket, a song on his tiny guitar. Miss Muffet and Spider danced circles much wider under the shining stars. Then hopped a grasshopper who joined the fun proper, jumping up high in the air. He taught them to leap, and they couldn't keep from dancing without a care. Then came a sly lizard with a shimmering gizzard who juggled some colorful stones. He spun them in air with flair and some care, and they cheered at his juggling tones. The moonlight was glowing and the cool breeze was blowing as fireflies lit up the scene. Miss Muffet, her crew, and some beetles too, had the happiest night ever seen. Miss Muffet then said, "Let's all head to bed. Tomorrow we'll have more play." The spider agreed, and the cricket did lead as they all shouted, "Howdy, hooray!"